Hey everybody! So I told you guys how I was going to be making chore charts using whiteboards for my kids, but I thought instead of using the whiteboards, I would make fun interactive ones. That way they can have the accomplishment of putting the chore that they did onto the chore chart themselves, and that way they know that they did it and they earned a point. So what I did is I took a piece of paper, I wrote their names on it, and then the days of the week. I'm giving them the weekends off so that they can have a little fun. Then I took some papers and I wrote their chores on it. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take these magnets that I have. I had a magnet and I cut it up into pieces. And I'm going to glue these onto the magnets and then put this on the fridge so when they get done, when they unload the dishwasher, they can then put it right here on the day and they know it's done. So I want to show you guys how I'm doing that. So I have their chore chart. I just wrote it out. It's nothing fancy. And then I have some glue. I'm using this glue. Yes, it's wood glue, but it's what I have and it's super strong. And I'm going to take and I'm going to put a little glue on the back of it like this. Doesn't need to be a lot. And then I'm going to take one of their chores, like clean room, and just put it on there like that. Press it down. Kind of flip it over so I know that it's on there correctly. And then I'm going to allow this to dry. And then when this is dried, they will be able to put it on here. So I'll show you again on these other ones. So another glue. This one is a smaller one, so the magnet's going to show a little bit more, but that's okay. Clean cat box. And voila. And it's okay if some of the glue squirts out a little, because this dries clear. And voila. Let's just do the rest of them while we're doing it. So here's another one. Add it there. Another clean room. Since they both have to clean their room, they both have to have one that says clean room. I flip it over just to make sure. I didn't have to flip this one over because I already know it's on there because this one's smaller than the magnet. Then a little more glue. This is going to be another small one, so I don't need a ton of glue on this. Feed and water cat.
That's my job.
See, it's a small one too, so I don't have to flip it over. I made them small so that they can put each one in the room. Okay. Here is this one. Okay. And this is unload dishwasher. And I'm going to push it down and then flip it over. If you get some glue on your counters, don't worry, it just wipes right off. And then load dishwasher. So yeah, so I have one of them unloading the dishwasher. The other one loads it up. That way they have even chores. One of them feeds and waters the cat while the other one cleans the cat box. And both of them cleans their room. Again, this is another bigger one, so I'm just going to flip it over. Make sure that Voila. And then, because I made a little mess on my counter, I'm just going to take my sponge and wipe it off. Voila. And then when those dry, I will put this on the fridge and then place the magnets next to it. And when they get their chore done, they just place the magnet on the day by their name. That way they know that their chore is done. And it's a great way for them to be interactive in the chore process instead of just using a whiteboard and like doing a little mark for them. This way they get the option to put it on there themselves. And that will kind of encourage them because then they'll want to put that magnet on. And you can tell them, well, you can't put the magnet on until the chore is done. So anyways, I hope this helps you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.